Hey guys, just wanted to make this quick little video just to show off our new DNA200 board sled. That's what I'm going to call this, a sled for the board. Yep, so really we were just looking to make our boxes as high a quality as possible, and we're always trying to see what else we can do to make them better. And so when you use this board, what it allows us to do is it just makes everything more reproducible. Everything's closer to the same, and that just creates for more reliable results in our box making. And when creating this, we were looking to use the least amount of 3D print material as possible, yet it's still very sturdy. And also there's no need for hardware with this, which is excellent. You just pop this in here and then snaps right on in, and it's not going anywhere now. And also a really helpful part about using one of these is there's a spot that holds the screen, and before using these we would manually have to line up the screen every single time for every box. But now that this holds the screen in a specific place, we've taken the time to mill and create a program for the CNC to cut our boxes. So basically, this 3D printed sled mates to a box, and that was something we did all in-house. We first designed this sled, and that was something that we're really proud of this sled, the way it turned out, the way everything fits so well, the way the screen is held in place so perfectly. And then we designed the CNC program for the box, so it just lines up perfectly. We got the hole for the USB to be just exactly right. Everything is just fitting just so much better. Not that our previous boxes things didn't fit, but now it's just such a perfect combo of the board and the box. They're just made for each other. Here's a quick example of the way everything lines up, which you can see using this sled allows our internals to be cleaner too. So we just have real short wires. Yeah, I mean, it's really awesome the way it works out. We have little stainless steel pieces here that line up right over the buttons, and I mean, they still work well. And then we have our fire button up here. So yeah, I mean, really clean internals. There's not much room for much going on in there. This is our 4200 battery also, and this is basically also a quick little preview of, we're going to release essentially a line of boxes with the 4200 battery, and we're also going to utilize our new sled in those boxes. Yeah, this powder coat is going to be an option. There's going to be a few different color options in this box that we're coming out with, but this color is definitely going to be an option. It is really awesome. Somehow it's a powder coat, but it is like, has this nice rubbery feel to it. It's pretty awesome. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that we're working hard to, you know, continually improve our products. And now that we have the sled, this is also going to help the boxes be built faster. Overall, it's just, moving in the right direction. There's definitely some boxes that were milled prior to the sled that won't be getting the sled, but definitely as we progress into the future, we're going to move to using the sleds in all of our boxes. So, thanks for watching. Check out VaporLips.com if you feel like it. Thanks, guys.